सक्षम कटेल,
सृजन मेचे,
किसान शङ्कर,
विकास चौहान,
हितेन भास्करटा, प्रदीप बराजुली, मौसम काफ्ले,
रमेश भण्डारी,
सन्दीप शङ्कर,
अनुष्का मानिया, प्रशंसा छैन, समृद्धि अधिकारी, समिता मेची, अनुराधा भुजेल, राधिका बराइली, हरमना राई, सिजल कार्की,
विजन खनाल।
Wait. So.
backside, elemental cubic side.
Silicon. Silicon is the most abundant element and found in all straws after oxygen. The symbol of silicon is Si. The electronic configuration of silicon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6, 3p2. The valency of silicon is 4. The atomic number of silicon is 14. The number of electron present in each atom is 16, therefore 14. The number of neutrons is 14 as well. The number of protons is also 14. This is the atomic structure of silicon atom. This is the atomic structure of semiconductor in which silicon is used. The uses of silicon are: it is used to make ceramic colors, it is used to make polishes, it is used in making semiconductors as well. Thank you.
Aluminium. It is the individual cube of aluminium, and the symbol of aluminium is Ar. Here is the atomic structure of aluminium. The numbers of proton present in aluminium is 13. The numbers of neutron present in aluminium is 14, and the electrons are 13. The electronic configuration of aluminium is 3s2, 3p1, and here is a picture of aluminium. It is used in electricity, well packaging, and construction. Thank you.
potassium with the symbol K, it lies in 19th in modern periodic table. Its atomic structure is this. Its number of proton is 19, number of electron is 20, number of neutron is 20. Its atomic weight is 39. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 3p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Its valency is 1. It is used in factory and industry, and it helps in manure of different compounds. Thank you.
Nitrogen is the seventh element of the modern periodic table after the carbon. Nitrogen, its atomic number is 7, its neutron is 7 and proton 7, and the number of atom is 7. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Its valency is 3 and the uses of the nitrogen is it is used in the fuel tank in the aeroplane to prevent explosion. Liquid nitrogen is used in a cooling agent. Thank you.
Sulfur is the symbol is S and the atomic number of sulfur is 16. The number of electron, proton, neutron present in sulfur is 16 and the atomic weight of sulfur is 32. This is the atomic structure of sulfur. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p4. Sulfur is used for making car batteries, oil refining, fertilizer, water processing and mineral extraction. Sulfur can be found near hot spring and volcanic reserve in the many parts of the world, especially along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Thank you.
Magnesium. Magnesium is 12th element of the modern periodic table. As you can see the picture of magnesium, and also you can see the atomic structure of magnesium. The symbol of magnesium is Mg, and atomic number of magnesium is 12, and also number of electron, proton and neutron is all 12. The atomic weight of magnesium is 24. The electronic configuration of magnesium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. The uses of magnesium is magnesium is used for better sleep, reduce risks or heart diseases. It also use bone stocks in the body. Thank you.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant chemical element, estimated to contribute 75% of the mass of the universe. It is the first element in the periodic table with atomic number 1. Now I am going to show you what is inside of it. As you can see here, it is the atomic structure of hydrogen. The number of proton and electron present in hydrogen is 1 and the number of neutron is 0. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. Its atomic weight and valency is 1. Hydrogen is used for refining petroleum, treating metals, processing food and producing fertilizers. In chemical industry, hydrogen is used for making ammonia for agricultural purposes. Thank you.
It is the solid lightest element in our periodic table. This is the atomic structure of lithium. The atomic number of lithium is 3. The total number of electrons present in lithium is 3. The number of proton is 3. The number of neutron is 4. The electronic configuration of lithium is 1s2, 2s2, 2s1. The valency of lithium is 1. It is used to make ceramic utensils. It is used to make ionic batteries, and it is used in medical field industries. Thank you.
Its symbol configuration is O. Here you can see atomic structure. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 3s2. Its valency is 2. Here is the figure of oxygen. Its atomic number is 8. Number of proton is also 8. Number of electron is also 8. And number of neutron is also 8. Oxygen is used for artificial breathing in hospital. Liquid oxygen is used for fuel in rockets, etc. Thank you.
It is the 50 element of modern periodic table. Phosphorus is second most abundant micronutrient in plant after nitrogen. It is denoted by symbol P. As you can see the atomic structure of phosphorus, here is the figure of phosphorus. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3. Its valency is 3. Its atomic number is 15, number of proton is 15, number of electron is 50 and the number of neutron is 50. Phosphorus is most commonly used in fertilizer. It is used in the production of steel. Thank you. Fluorine, its symbol is Cl. It comes from the 17th number of the modern periodic table. It's inside it. As you can see the atomic structure of it, and the number of proton in it is 17, and the number of neutron in it is 18, and the number of electron in it is 17, and you can see the atomic number of it is 17. Now let's come to the electronic configuration. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5, and its valency is 1. Let's come to the uses of it. Its uses are the chlorine help us to kill the bacteria, and its second use is it helps to
makes safe drinking water, and the third use of it is it helps to kill the bacteria under the swimming pool. Thank you, Machine. Calcium. It is an organic metal. Its symbol is Ca. Here you can see the atomic structure of calcium. The atomic number of calcium is 20, and number of electron, proton, and neutron is also 20. Here you can see the figure of calcium. It is shaped like a rock. Now electron configuration calcium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Its valence is 2. It is used to maintain healthy bones and teeth. It is used in muscle construction. It is used to manufacture soap. Calcium is found in items like dairy products, etc. Thank you.
Neon is a 10th element of a modern periodic table. Its valency is 1. Here you can see the atomic structure of neon. The number of electrons is in neon is 10, the number of proton is 10, and the number of neutron is also 10. Its atomic number is 10, the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. The uses of neon are: it is used in high voltage indicator, it is used in wavelength meter. Here you can see the high voltage indicator. Thank you.
As you can see the structure of fluorine. Its atomic number is 9 and the proton and the electron present in it is 9. The neutron present in it is 10 and the atomic weight of fluorine is 19 kg. The electronic configuration of fluorine is 2s225. As you can see the structure figure of fluorine. Its application are it is used to generate limited energy. It is also used for making hydrochloric acid. It is used as chlorine to derive acids.
Argon is 18th element of modern periodic table. This symbol is here. That's inside it. You can see the atomic structure and picture of argon. Its atomic number is 18. Its number of proton is 18 and also electron is 18. Its number of neutron is 22. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Its valence is 0. Its valence is 0. Argon is used in fluorescent and low energy bulbs. It is also used in where inert atmosphere is needed. Thank you.
It's the elemental cube of beryllium. Its symbol is Be. Here you can see this is the atomic structure of beryllium, and this is a picture of beryllium. Its atomic number is 4 and number of electrons is 4 and number of proton is also 4 and number of neutron is 5. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 and 2s2, and its valence is 4. It is used in the energy field to extract oil and gas. Carbon. This is the elemental cube of carbon, and its symbol is A. This is the atomic structure of carbon, and this is the figure of carbon. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p2. The valency of carbon is 4. The atomic number of carbon is 6, and the number of electrons present in carbon is 6. And proton is 6, and electron is also 6. The carbon is used in diamond for making jewelry. Sugar, glucose, proteins, etc. are all made of it. Thank you. Sodium, its symbol is Na. Its atomic number is 11. Its number of electrons is 11. Its number of protons is 11, and number of neutrons is 12, and its valency is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. Sodium is used in animal nutrition. It is also used to make glasses with other substances. Thank you.
I hope our presentation was good. We have done our best and will be doing better in the upcoming days. See you next time with our another science project work presentation. Till then, goodbye.